Hey guys, it is the 14th of December. Today I have this. I've picked one of these before. I have that in my own collection. I actually think it looks pretty cool, if I say so myself. I don't think I will need the vise for this one, so I just put that away there. Yeah, let's see, where is my tiny pigs? That I use for these teeny tiny locks. Yeah, a little bit difficult to hold because they are so small, but it usually works out in the end. There we go. That was an SP. Let's see if we can rig it with these tiny rakes. Not much raking done, but it did open. Let's try to zip it. 1.5 zip. Alright, what else? Bypass. Oh, is this one of those? Yeah, it is shielded. Yeah, this is one of the shielded ones. But I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, let's just pick it. As you know, I want them open when I don't have keys. Then it seems like raking was the fastest, so we do that again. If you wonder what this is from, it's from one of those James Bond pig sets there. Those. Oh, not so fast this time, huh? Maybe I should just hold it like I did before. Maybe that works. Come on out. That's weird. Open! Why doesn't it open this time? Okay, SPP was faster. Let's get it on the tree. Whee! And we have this spot. Actually, don't want that small one all out on the side, so we do that. There we go. 14 locks. Woo! So far so good. Alright, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.